haul ako. Cookies. Bumili din ako ng bagel. Samahan niyo ako. Let's go. So guys, next natin is fruits. Then, let's go to the gym. Hey guys, it's Klariz. Welcome back to another vlog. For today's vlog guys, sama ko kayo ngayon sa aking agenda. So mag-grocery tayo and mag-gym. So let's go! I do that 3-4 times again, I testify of you. I told I like you, that bitch I do it. Oh, I won't cry, we're skinny. I'm not. Long if you joking, now here for me. I ain't got it. I've been skinny, do it. I your body. So guys, ayun, pupunta tayo ngayon ng Landers. Kasi po naka-sale sila, kaya maaga tayo. Medyo ka lang guys. So ayun, mag-grocery ako. And yeah, super I love grocery shopping guys. So ayun, and mag-grocery tayo na mga kailangan lang natin guys. Okay? As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I get lost when I'm with you. Talking lost news, and that's the moment. You just too important. Nobody could buy it like you do. I can't lose. So guys, next natin is fruits. Check natin yung expiry. Kay Tita Labi ko nalaman yung tip na yun. Thanks to my Tita Labi. Coffee set.
Ikaw gusto yung stock pa? Yung coffee pa?
Kumagay ka muna sa vlog.
Hi vlog.
Sige kuya, thank you.
Lagi mo?
Ha?
Sabay ko na pinatay.
All of the time we spent together in our prime, we were birds of a feather, different kind. We were laughing through the pain, you were never once sober. Cut the cord that kept us connected, blacking out the mirror where your light once reflected.
So guys, mag-grocery haul ako. So sorry for my face. Super haggard guys. Anyway, so ayun. So let's, grocery haul. Bumili ako ng outside. Ayan. Apat sila. For coffee or for matcha. Of course guys, the eggs.
So guys, nag-diet kasi kami nila Tita Lovey. And guys, always check the expiry. Actually guys, kay Tita Lovey ko natutunan yun na always check the expiry. So thanks to my Tita Lovey. And guys, take yun. So grocery kayo or kahit ano, check nyo muna yung expiry. Mini croissant. For syrup na ito mamaya, I will eat this. Actually, na-try na namin to nila Tita Lovey, Tita Tree. Pero bumili ako ulit. So, ayan. Naka-sale yung Landers. Kaya, the cookies, 6 yung binili ko guys. So, ayan. Also guys, like piso sale. Bumili din ako ng chocolate. Okay, next, bumili din ako ng bagel. Try natin yung mga healthy recipes. Ayan. And next, ito guys, pala kasi piso sale. Kaya bumili na rin ito. Ayan. For the kiddos. For the kids. Siyempre, vitamin C, oo. Never nawawala sa akin to guys. Every day ko siyang iniinom. Huwag niyo kakalimutan guys ang vitamin C nyo. Okay? Next guys, I bought a candle. Pero wala yung hinahanap ko na scent niya is coffee. Sabi nila, ubus na daw. So, let's magbango siya guys. Super like, niya. Kasi yung scent niya is fresh cotton. Next is shampoo. Pantene. Butter cheese bread. And super sarap nito guys. Super sarap kahit wala siyang palaman. Super sarap niya. So, try nyo to. Super sarap. Yan, we have apple and grapes. That's my grocery haul. Magpapahinga muna ako saglit. And after that, nagawa ako ng PM snack ko. Yun yung kakainin ko bago ako mag-gym. After that, nag-gym ako. And the day is done. Actually, kaka-enroll ko lang sa gym, guys. And ayun, kasi tagal ko hindi nag-gym. So, I want to improve my body. Wow! So I'll be right back. Super sarap na itong mini croissant. At that's so cute! And guys, super bango niya. So, gagawa na tayo ng ating PM snack. Bumili din sila Tita Love and Tita Faye kahapon. And ngayon, bumili ako guys. Meron pa kasi kami kahapon natira, pero kinain ko na siya guys. Kaninang morning, yun yung aking breakfast. Isa lang and water. So guys, gagawa na tayo ng ating oatmeal. This is my PM snack. Meron tayong mini croissant, oatmeal, apple, grapes. Yung apple tsaka grapes kanina yun yung binili guys. And kiwi, actually tira ko yan kahapon. And kasi gumawa din ako ng oatmeal na ganyan guys. This is my water na may lemon lang. Actually yan din yung iniinom ko sa gym. Water na may lemon. So kumaga parang detox. But hindi siya totally detox guys. So ayan. And let's eat. Muna po to eat. Then, let's go to the gym. Guys, ang first day pa lang, sumakot na yung katawan ko. Hindi na ako sanay. Tiis-tiis na tayo ngayon. So guys, let's go to the gym. Samahan niyo ako. Let's go, let's go.
you tonight, but I cannot, baby girl, and that's the issue. Girl, you know I miss you. I just wanna kiss you, but I can't right now, so baby, kiss me through the phone. Kiss me through the phone. See you later on, later on. Kiss me through the phone. Kiss me through the phone. See you when I get home.
Baby, I know that you like me. You my future wifey. Soldier boy, tell him, yeah, you can be my bunny. I can be your Clyde. You can be my wife. Text me, call me. I need you in my life. Yeah, all day, every day I need you. And every time I see you, my feelings get deeper. I miss you, I miss you. I really wanna kiss you, but I can't.
Take my mind, seem to take a step out. Get some in now, let your edge out. Since your eyes spoke, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so you, baby, baby, baby. I've been through my empty mind, shit. I should've keep from losing the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, you baby, you don't care. Sometimes trying to be a nuisance is just urgent. Trying to make sense of little change got me a war in my mind. Gotta let go away, think he was holding me. Do the right, but it will pick up this fun of me. All the while, I'll wave my arm up here with a smile. Still wanna try, still believe in the days. Always inside, Tuesday
Guys, tapos na ako mag-gym, so let's go home.
Take my mind, seem to take a step out. Get some in now.
Guys, ayan, nakauwi na ako. I'm so sorry for my hair. Super messy niya. Anyway, naka-ponytail kasi kanina, guys. And dito ko natatapusin yung vlog. So guys, thank you so much sa pagsama sa aking agenda for today. A day in my life ko to, ganon. Tiis ganda tayo sa gym, girl. As in, tina-target ko, guys, is yung glutes. And pag-tone talaga, like, para mag-firm yung aking sa braso, legs, and all. Gusto kong i-tone yon. Hopefully, mag-work. Di ako everyday mag-gym, every other day. Kailangan din natin ipahinga yung mga katawan natin, lalo na if nagbe-build kayo ng muscles. Ayan na po si CK. Nasa si Kakay. Ayan po si CK. Si Kakay.
Hello.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Nag-enjoy ako, guys. Sana nag-enjoy din kayo. If you do, make sure to give a big thumbs up, subscribe to be part of our family, Klariz, and click the bell button beside so notified whenever time I post a new video. I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye guys!